Hey all, so I'll be unboxing this noise Slimmest QI wireless charger today. So as you can see in the package you get this leaflet which says a few things about the product, what is the compatibility, brief introduction, charging instructions and other things. We'll just keep this aside. So I have this iPhone X, so for my iPhone X I got this charger. Let's see how it works. Apart from the leaflet, in the box we get only the device, which is the noise QI charger, Slimmest charger as they say. Let's open this. I feel bad when they have given this rubber band. I think they should have attached that small wire which they use. So the charger, the box does not contain any adapter in this. You get only the branding on the USB, and you can see this is like a leather type of finishing. This is slim. This is really slim. Yeah, this is slim, no doubt. And on the back they have mentioned few things about the product, like wireless charging pad, standard QI output. So I have this adapter. What I'll do, I'll just quickly plug this in, and as the company says it takes 2.5 hours to fully charge the iPhone X. I'll just remove this all and put the charger in the plug. So as soon as you'll put the charger, you'll get the green light indicator that the charger is on. What I'll do, as this is the AirPods and they don't have wireless charging, we'll just check if it is working or not. No, I cannot see anything like that. Yeah, so not compatible. Obviously not compatible if your device is not QI standard maintained. First what I'll do, I'll put this with the cover. Let's place this. Boom. Yeah, it's charging. The only catch in this, what I felt was, after some time it will stop the charging, the wireless charging, and then again it will start. Yeah, so repeatedly on off it will happen. Once again I'll show you. Remove the device. Right now it's not charging. Put it back. You can see the 53% charge. Later I'll show you how much time it will take to charge the complete device. The build quality is good. No doubt the build quality is nice. The only flaw which I can see, if this is broken, your device is gone. So the complete device stall is on the cable. The cable is entangle free. The surface is smooth. There is a rubber over here. Yeah, so this is made in China, obviously. This. Let's see. I'm using the device, and if it does not work the way it should, then I might be returning, because I can see that after some time it stops and then again starts. I don't know why it is happening, but let me have a look why it is happening. So what I'll do, I'll just pull and show you this 53% charged. As you can see, yeah. Place it back on the device. You need to keep it properly so that your phone QI and the device QI is in place and aligned with each other. Let's see the product, how it is working. This obviously don't support. So as they have told that it supports anything which has QI with your charger device. Let me have a look how it is and how good it is doing. Yeah, so I'll just open the device. Everything is working fine. Right now it's working fine. I don't know what happened, so I am connected to the internet. Thanks guys for watching. Thank you so much. Keep watching my video and do subscribe. Thank you so much.